Let's make an easy dinner. This is a lemon pepper tofu with asparagus and baba ganoush.
Tofu marinade. I'm gonna add some soy sauce, a little bit of maple syrup, some lemon juice, some black pepper. This is just so simple for a weeknight. A little bit of onion and garlic powder. Mix it together. Now I've got 1 block of tofu here. Now just a tip, if you freeze and thaw your tofu, it is going to absorb that marinade better. I'm gonna cut it into about 3 pieces like this. And then I'm just gonna score it. You can also boil your tofu for a few minutes. That will help it to absorb the marinade as well, but I usually just use the freeze and thaw method. We're just gonna cut some nice crosshatch patterns in here like that. Check that out. Okay, now we're gonna put that right into the marinade. Just gonna allow those to marinate. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of olive oil in the cast iron. Throw in enough asparagus for 2 people. And I snapped off all the hard ends. And I'm gonna cook those until they are nice and crispy. And I'm just gonna add some baba ganoush to the plate, probably about 2 tablespoons or so. This is gonna be so good for dipping. If you don't have baba ganoush, you can use a hummus or something like that. That will be really delicious too, just nice and easy for a weeknight. And I'm gonna put that on both plates here. Now the asparagus is ready, so I'm just gonna set that aside. I don't wanna use a lot of dishes, so I'm gonna use the same cast iron to cook up my tofu as well. It is piping hot at this point. I'm just gonna cook those for about 3 or 4 minutes per side till they're nice and golden brown. I added just a little bit of seasoning to the asparagus, just some Montreal steak spice, but salt and pepper would work too. And flip those, you can see they are charring up really nicely on the cast iron. Just make sure that they are cooked to your liking. I like to have a little bit of char, a little bit of crispiness on the outside of the tofu. I just think it tastes so good. I'm gonna flip the 3rd one. My husband's gonna have 2 of these. I'm gonna have 1 of them. So for us, this makes 1 meal. Look how good that is looking. Now all that's left to do is plate it up. You can put some fresh herbs on top. I'm actually going to put some dill on top of these, and I'm going to put my cooked asparagus there on the side. This is such a good meal, and honestly it really wasn't that hard because we just made a really simple marinade and we used that pre-purchased baba ganoush or hummus as the base. So I'm going to sprinkle on some dill because that's what I have in the house. Some chili oil would be nice on top, some parsley. I mean, whatever you have, lemon and parsley go so well together, and this is like a lemon pepper tofu. Now all that's left to do is dig in and enjoy. I will be making this on repeat because 1, how easy it was, and 2, how delicious it was. I would highly recommend the baba ganoush if you can find it. I feel like it just went so well on here, especially with the dill. This would also be so good with garlic toast. Enjoy.